So, as soon as we finish your procedure, we're gonna wait 6 hours to do anything with your brows, okay? So for 6 hours, you're not gonna get your brows wet, you're not gonna exercise, you're not doing anything. Just let your brows be. After 6 hours, we can start the aftercare. So the aftercare, we're gonna use baby shampoo or any other products that I can give you at a time. You know, sometimes we use different things, but normally baby shampoo, any products in the baby section is very safe to use on your face. Why? Because the pH of those products is very similar to the pH of our skin. So they're totally safe to be used. So you're gonna wash your brows first with the baby shampoo. So always wash your hands, rinse under the water, leave your hands wet, put a little bit of the baby shampoo, and gentle you're gonna wash your brows, okay? Very light, very gentle, no scrubbing, no doing anything harsh. After that, you're gonna wash, right? Rinse, and then you're gonna pat dry with a towel. Don't share your towel with anybody. Then you let air dry a little bit, and then you're gonna put the ND that I'm gonna give it to you. And it's just the size of a grain of rice, okay? Less means more. So you can put on your little finger and you can tap on your brows, or you can go like this, but very gentle. So the washing you're gonna do from day 1 to day 3, 2 to 3 times per day. When you finish the washing, you're still gonna be using the ND. The ND you're gonna use from day 1 to up to day 17. So until day 3, you're gonna be washing, rinsing, pat dry, air dry, putting a little bit of the ND. After day 3, then you're just gonna keep going with the ND. That's the same thing, 2 to 3 times per day, okay? So for the first 3 days, you're gonna wash and then you're gonna put the ND. After the 3 days, you're not gonna wash your brows anymore. You're just gonna keep using the ND. After 3 days, can you get your brows wet? Yes. If you're taking a shower, totally fine for your brows to get wet. If you're washing your face, totally fine to throw water on your face. You just don't need to be going on the brows and washing the brows, okay? So totally fine. And that's it. The aftercare is very simple. Hopefully you have a very good healing. Okay? Bye-bye.